Hi everyone, it's Georgia from Georgia's Shenanigans. Thank you very much for choosing my video. I'm going to try and keep this one fairly quick. As you can see, I've got some mala in front of me. So we'll just go through these and I'll show you what they are and explain for those who don't know what a mala is used for. So traditionally they're a necklace. They are normally made from natural materials. These days though, in the more modern society, we wear them for jewellery. A lot of people who do yoga, who meditate, will use them. So this one is particularly pretty. It consists of 108 beads. Now a mala necklace will always have 108 beads. You've got your big bead down the bottom here, which is also known as your guru bead. And traditionally they have a tassel on the bottom of them. They don't always have a tassel, but traditionally they do. So your guru bead is your start and your finish bead for when you're chanting or you're praying or whatever you're doing. And the idea is 108 is the magical number. You start at the guru bead, and as you're chanting or praying, and when I say chanting, it can be whatever a person wants to chant. It might be just Om, or it could be, I am good enough, or whatever has meaning to the person. And as you go along, you touch the bead or you hold the bead and you say your chant, and then you move to the next one, you move to the next one, you move. And this one has what's called station beads, which are because you're going to be chanting or praying with your eyes closed, when you get to one of those, then you know that you've done 6. They can be spread out, and divided like in lots of 12 or whatever. This one just happens to be 6. This one's made from a variety of beads. Mostly they're porcelain or glass. Well, actually they're all porcelain or glass. And they're 8mm. So the idea is you go around, when you get to your 108, you're back at your guru bead. And the idea is you don't go past the guru bead. That tells you you've finished. So that's that one. Also, as I said, in modern society, we wear them for jewellery. This one is particularly cool. I really like it. So the chain at the bottom that the tassel's made from, it's a really fine chain. I'll just show you that. It's made from stainless steel. It's all strung on stainless steel tiger tail. It's very strong. So there's not too much chance of it breaking in the future. It'll last actually for quite a long time. It's quite heavy, but definitely very pretty. This one's a little bit different. This one's strung on leather, 1mm leather. It's all wooden beads. It's the same deal. You've got your guru bead at the end here, and then you've got 108 of your other beads. These barrel beads are what they call the station bead. Traditionally there's 5 station beads, but these days it's a variety. It's not traditional, or it's not, always 5 anymore. So yeah, there you have that one. Your guru at the bottom is a barrel bead, another bigger wooden bead. It's about a 12 or 14mm, probably 14, I would say. And then just a little leather bow at the bottom. So that's that one. Now these, I've been kind of obsessed a little bit with these mala bracelets. So your necklaces are 108 beads and your bracelets are 54. And it's the same thing, you go around. Once you get back around to your guru, you've done 54. If you wanted to go around again to make your 108, you could. This one is made from apatite beads and tahani beads. They're 6mm, and it just happens that 54 of the 6mm beads is the perfect length for a wrap bracelet. So you just pop it on your wrist and off you go. So people, as I said, that do yoga will usually use this kind of bracelet for when they're meditating. So that's that one. Then we've got this one. This one's made from it's a white jade. The bead, they're 6mm and 8mm. And then your guru bead at the bottom is ceramic. And then you've got your little alloy spaces and bead cap. So again, with this one, obviously they stretch. Looks really good. They look really nice on. So they're also a fashion accessory as well if you wanted to use them that way. This one is probably my favourite. This is a sugilite bead, is what the stone is called. The little daisy spaces in between each 6 are stainless steel. These are alloy. The guru bead is a 12mm ceramic bead. It's got a little purple flower on it. I'll show you that. They're quite pretty, these beads. I've got a few things made with these beads on them. So yeah, sugilite, it's usually purple or like a brownish colour. I was lucky enough to get a string of purple ones, so I was pretty pleased about that. So yeah, that one makes a really pretty bracelet. This one is an amazonite stone. It has a guru bead that's made from white turquoise. Again, 6mm stones. The little balls in between are 3mm stainless steel. So that one's really pretty as well. This one is a little bit different. It's got the tassel on the bottom. And the bead is an 8mm glass bead. All these white beads are glass. And then you've got your little spacer beads, or station beads, they call them on a mala. They've got a little flower on them. Hoping you can see that okay. They're square, so they're easy to identify as you're going around doing your chanting or your meditating. So that's that one. So I'm a little bit obsessed with the mala bracelets. I've got beads to make more of them. They are pretty new to my range. I don't know if I'll keep them going or not at this stage. I probably will because I just like them. But this is what we have so far with those, and there's going to be many, many more to come. So thank you again for sticking with me and clicking on my video. If you could like and subscribe, would be fabulous. There's links to my stores in the show notes. And if you've got any questions or you want to see a tutorial on how to make these, just let me know in the comments. More than happy to make a tutorial. I'm not 100% sure yet what you guys want to actually see, but if you can let me know in the comments, would be great. Okay, so having said that, I'll sign off and wish you all a wonderful day. Thanks very much.